Robert Frost, full name Robert Lee Frost, and was born on 26 March 1874 in San Francisco, California, USA, and he died on 29 January 1963. And he was a poet, teacher, and lecturer, and he is famous as one of America's greatest and most popular poets. He was born in San Francisco. His father, William Prescott Frost, was a teacher and journalist, and his mother, Isabella Moody, was a Scottish immigrant. After his father died in 1885, Frost moved with his mother and sister to Lawrence, and there he studied at Lawrence High School, where he began writing poems. His first poem, My Butterfly, an elegy, was published in 1894 in the Independent magazine, and he attended Dartmouth College for a short time but did not complete his degree. Frost attended Dartmouth College for a short time but did not complete his degree. He worked as a teacher, cobbler, and farmer to support his family. Later, he also attended Howard University for 2 years but again left without a degree. In 1895, he married Eleanor William White, his school sweetheart. They had 6 children, but only 2 survived to adulthood. His personal life was filled with sadness as he lost several of his children and his wife later in life. And Frost found it hard to get his poem published in the US at first. In 1912, he moved to England with his family, where he met other famous poets like Ezra Pound and Edward Thomas. His first book of poems, A Wise Will, 1913, was published in England, and his second book, North of Boston, which came in 1914, made him famous. When he returned to America in 1915, he was already a well-known poet. And his major works are A Wise Will, North of Boston, Mountain Interval, New Hampshire, West Running Brook, A Further Range, A Witness Tree. And he won the Pulitzer Prize for 4 times, 1924, in 1931, in 1937, and in 1943. He served as consultant in poetry to the Library of Congress, now called Poet Laureate. He read his poem, The Gift, outright at the inauguration of US President John F. Kennedy in 1961, and he is known as the poet of the common man for writing about rural life and nature in simple language. And he used simple language and realistic imagery, often wrote about nature, rural life, human emotions, and choices, famous for using symbolism and irony. His poems reflect deep philosophical meanings beneath simplicity. His famous poems are The Road Not Taken, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, Mending Wall, Witches, Fire and Ice, After Apple Picking, and he died on January 29, 1963 in Boston at the age of 88, and he was buried in Old Bennington Cemetery, Vermont, USA. He remains one of America's most loved and quoted poets. His poems teach us about life choices, responsibilities, and the beauty of nature. He made simple things meaningful.